Okay, so well, a magazine is considering the launch of an online edition. The magazine plans to go ahead only if it's convinced that more than 25% of its current readers would subscribe. The magazine contacts a simple random sample of 500 current subscribers, and 137 of those surveyed expressed interest. What should the company do? Test an appropriate hypothesis and state your conclusion, and be sure to appropriate assumptions and conditions are satisfied before you proceed. Okay, so this is simply phantoms, okay? So what is P? P is the, and I'm going to zoom this out a little bit, so is the proportion of readers who prefer an online edition. Okay. H. The null hypothesis is that P equals 0.25. They're only going to proceed if it's greater than 0.25. Assumptions and conditions. 10%. Okay, so for our 10% condition, 500 readers is less than 10% of all readers. Okay, random. Okay, sample was a simple random sample. Independent. Each subscriber's response was likely independent. And then success failure. Okay, so in the success failure, NP equals 500 times 0.25, which is 125, and NQ is 500 times 0.75, which is 375. Both are greater than 10. Okay? Name. This is a one-prop hypothesis test. You could put a one-prop z-test if you want. That's fine. Test statistics. P equals 0.25. Q equals 0.75. N is 500. P hat. P hat here is going to be 137 over 500. So that is going to equal 0.274. And then Q hat would be 1 minus 0.274, which is 0.726. Okay, so now we got to obtain P. So Z equals P hat minus P over the square root of P Q over N. Okay? Go to the calculator. Stat test. One prop Z test. There it is. So P sub 0 is 0.25. Let's see. There were 137 readers who said they would approve. Out of 500, we're testing greater than. I'm going to draw, and we're going to copy that onto our paper just like that. Exactly. We know Z is 1.24 and P is 0.1076. So we're going to put that right on our paper exactly as it is. So for this would be a P value of 0.25, and this is a Z of 1.24 shaded in, and this is 0.1076. And then the last thing is make a decision. So with a P value, by the way, this is big P, okay, the p-value of 0.10076, we fail to reject H above. Okay, so what does that mean? The company should not proceed with an online addition.